that just me? Or are there more of those things now?
I fear the dimensional cataclysm is getting worse.
Well, the sooner we find Pierre, the sooner we can get to fixing all of this. Somehow.
We will find a way. Like always.
Rat-a-tune! In unrelated news, our dome must be closed today for a private event. The execution of Pierre Lefebvre. All trespassers shall be shot and or stabbed on sight. And remember Article 4 of the Pirate Code. Never blow up your own blooming ship.
Come now! That ship had to go boom on Molonot. One could even say it destroyed itself! Oh, bubbles! If anyone wanted to save moi, now would be...
Intruders! You can't stop the swift arm of justice, you...
Normally I would not have enemies, but you did save my life, and I am Pierre Lefebvre, gentleman extraordinaire. If you want an audience with Captain Quantum, you must complete the Pirate Trials.
What are those?
A tradition as old as grog, and how old pirates earn their colors. Head to Skull Mountain. If you complete the trials there, you will find the captain.
So, Captain what? What brings ye here?
You're, in danger. The Emperor has a...
Dimensionator?
You already knew?
Har har! We bugged him! Greatest job we ever pulled! So actually, he's the one in danger!
We could get ahead of the Emperor with that thing.
Thing? It's me face!
But you're not a robot.
What? Ye dare!
Huh? Oh. Oh.
Wait, this dimension has a quark?
Well, it seems we have more than that. Wait a second, you're the original Cure Thunderstorm. Yep, that's me. You must be in new form. My god, so the rumors are true.
Quark? It's Quantum!
Captain Quantum.
Murderer!
No, it's me.
It be me, Quantum, see?
Ye will pay for defiling a captain's head like that. Both of ye.
No!
It is not working, Ratchet.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
I'm afraid so.
So, this Captain Quark, is he a pirate in your dimension too?
No, he's a hero. Even though he's betrayed us, surrendered to save his own skin.
Well, also he's an idiot. But he's cool. But idiot.
Taking credit for our...
He's a hero?
Because no matter how many times he screws up, he's always there when it matters most. He never stops trying.
The dimension's falling apart. The Emperor's all-powerful, and my life's in danger. Perfect time for a career change.
And
there you
What are you doing?
Hero stuff!
Quattro! And exchange! I'm gonna get his ass there. Right now, we gotta keep moving.